energy conversion, how energy is converted from one form to another, the different examples of this transformation. And so we also discussed the conservation of energy, wherein we define that as the law which states that energy can neither be created nor destroyed, but it can be transformed from one form to another. We also have discussed about the topic on um, magnets. Yan. So we introduced the magnetic lines and also how to get the magnitude and direction of force lie or on a charge lying on a magnetic field. Now, so let's proceed now to electromagnetism. Yan. So ano naman pag sinabi natin electromagnetism? So from the name itself, so I have electro, which means this has something to do with electricity. Yan. Particularly current and voltage. Yan. Then magnetism, of course. So we have magnet and magnetic field. Yan. So what we're going to do now is how are we going to compute for parameters which is which involves electricity and magnetism. Yeah. So first, let's discuss how to compute for the force on a current carrying conductor lying on a magnetic field. So the magnetic force on a charged particle depends upon on the relative orientation of the particle's velocity and magnetic field. So last time we have di ba napag-aralan natin yung about sa charge. So when it comes to charge, in order to find the force and that charge, the magnitude of it is computed using the magnetic field, the velocity times the charge, multiplied by the angle of it. Yan. So, ang sabi natin last time, the value of the force is at maximum if these two are perpendicular to each other. Yan. So, ibig sabihin, 90 degrees yung kanilang 90 degrees yung angle between the magnetic field and our velocity. But that doesn't necessarily mean na laging 90 degrees yung angle between the two. Yan. So, the magnetic force cannot change the speed of a charged particle, only its direction. Yan. So, last time we also have studied about the direction of the force. Yan. Kaya tayo nag-right hand rule. Pwede rin yung left hand rule natin na gamitin. So, maalin sa dalawa depending upon kung ano yung ating pinag-uusapan na charge. May it be a positive charge or a negative charge. Then, when a charged particle enters a uniform magnetic field in a direction perpendicular to the field, its motion is continuously changed by the magnetic force. And current consists of many small charged particles running through a magnetic wire. If immersed in a magnetic field, the particles will be experiencing a force or will experience a force, and they can transmit this force to the wire through which they travel. And the force of a section of the wire with length L carrying a current I and a magnetic field beta is given by the following formula. So here we will be dealing with three different systems of unit. We have SI unit, we have English system, and also CGS naman. Ay, akala ko 9 pa. Kaya papunta na agad kami doon. Ano ba yan? Yan.